Hello friends, welcome to Penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Star One Millennium Glossy Full Silver Fountain Pen with red grip. And here, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on the pen because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this. So here, this is a full silver body and cap which has a golden clip. The clip is resembling the arrow model. And here the brand's name Star One is mentioned in the cap portion, and the golden color top and the bottom buttons, and it is a easy pulling type and a very lean and thin grip portion, red color grip portion. The only difference in this model is the grip portion's color. And here this is number 5.5 nib, in which the Orient Iridium point was mentioned in the nib, and you can swap the nibs as you like since we have number 5.5 nibs in many brands. It is a medium tip silver plated one, and for that you can go to our site, click pen spares, then go to nibs, and there you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. In 5.5 we are having an fine, medium, broad, and again with gold, silver tone and dual tone also. And also flex nibs can be swapped in this pen, so the choice is yours. And now the measurements of this pen. The holding area's diameter is 9.2 mm. As this medium or slim one, this pen is more suitable for little fingers too. And the body's diameter is 11 mm. And the length of this pen without cap is 122 mm. And with cap it is 134.5 mm. And yeah, with this measurement you can get some idea about the pen pouches and holders. If you maintain this with pouches and all, the same aesthetic shininess will last forever. And now to the entire weight. The weight of this pen is 17 grams. And on pen maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye-based ink will precipitate on the longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing, and slowly the ink will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. The reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the dirts and deposits in the feeder, please remove the feeder and the nib unit separately by holding this together and twist and pull. After removing, you can flush the feeder with the help of any brush or clean it well with soap water. If you are soaking in soap water, then allow it for an hour and brush and clean. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water, so it is clear. Unless otherwise we have a good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And here all the threads are turned to worn out, so to increase the life of your thread, please apply silicone grease or Vaseline whenever you are opening and closing the grip portion. And also this is a cartridge converter type ink filling system. You can use cartridges also, and this is a converter. You can pull this so the piston will move forward, and you can dip in the ink and pull this back, so the ink will be filled up this portion, and you can easily fix this. And yeah, also few nibs need to be fine-tuned, because during the manual assembly of nibs the tines may stick together, so gently push the tines up and down, so it will create some space in between the tines, so you will get a smooth writing and a very good ink flow. And please ensure both the tines are parallel, if not you will get a scratch writing. And whenever we dispatch the pen to a customer, we do this fine tuning and we will check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. Now let me give the writing sample of this pen. For today's writing, I am going to use our Penhouse Emerald Green ink. The flow is not that much good. It is writing so fine. Maximum 5.5 nibs comes with a medium tip, and it is also a 5.5 nib, and it is writing so fine, so it may be the fine tip also. Yeah. If you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to a mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.